Hey, what's up, guys? I'm just gonna show the unboxing, like the UGREEN. This the this is like a pop socket. It's not a pop socket. It's more like a phone stand or a holder. It's good quality. I'm just gonna show you. Just gonna show you how it looks by UGREEN. It it cost me here around Bangladeshi taka 300. So this is the one. Pretty good quality. I purchased this from Peekaboo. See, 3M. I think this is extra glue probably, and this looks good. Okay, here is the phone, and probably this rotates. I think it rotates 360-degree. Pretty good quality. Pretty nice actually. Thanks for watching. Thank you.